All right, guys, what's going on? Got out the bike today to go for a ride, and my tire is flat, so I'm not riding today. There's a puncture in here somewhere. I don't know if I can see it right now. Somewhere, I guess. Last time I was riding, I ran something over. We're gonna see if we can take this bad boy off today. I'm tired of having this thing on here. I don't have a replacement for it, but I'm gonna see if I can't take these off and then just unclip the wiring. So I'm gonna start taking that off right now. These are very easy to take off, just using a Torx. Or I'm hoping that I can just unclip the wires and I can build my own I can build my own bracket out of plumber's tape or something for my license plate. All right, so it's just this wire right here. So the wiring harness is in here. I'm sure there's one underneath the seat. Let's take the seat off and see. Let's see. So the problem I'm running into is that clip right there is too big to fit through that, and I don't know what to do. I can try opening this up, but there's more clips inside here and I really don't want to cut that wire. So it looks like it's a fail. I plugged it back in. I gotta figure out, I don't know much about wiring, so I don't want to just cut this to get it out. I'm just so tired of having that thing on there. It's just so ugly, man. I just want to take it off, and if I can, I'll just mount my license plate to here. You know, like, it's just, imagine that thing gone. Just look how much cleaner the bike would look, you know? Anyways, I'm not defeated. I guess round one goes to this stupid fucking plug. I know everyone out there's probably just saying, cut it, cut it, cut it. Everyone watching, just cut it, man, just cut it. But I'm scared, dude.
The next day.
All right, so it's off. Lights on. It says rear position light fail, though. Let's see, is this gonna pop up every time I ride now? I guess so. I'm gonna have to get a switch. I have to get something to plug that in to make it stop saying that. Anyways. All right, guys, round two. It's done. Got it off. Had that rubber piece on there. Got it through. Running, no fender down there. I don't know if you can see, I got my license plate tucked up under there though. Like, look how much cleaner this looks. How clean it is, man. So much better. You can really see the lines of the bike now, like the way the fender comes up. So much nicer, man. Look at that. So this light works, the brake lights work, no blinkers. It does throw an error code up here, so the warning light will be on, but the warning light's on anyways because I usually have traction control off. And then it says that there's a rear light indicator's messed up, so I gotta get that. I don't know, maybe I'll buy another actual fender eliminator and plug it in. The license plate seems to be on here. It's only got one screw in it, but I mean, it don't seem to be going anywhere. It's only got the one screw. It doesn't seem to be going anywhere, you know? Like, just look at those lines, dude. I'm so stoked. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I finally did it. Everything seems to be good. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.